Welcome back. Get ready to uncover some unknown and fun facts about artificial intelligence, AI. Let's dive right in. Fact number 1. AI has its own language. When AI systems communicate with each other, they sometimes develop their unique language, known as AI speak. It may sound like gibberish to us, but it allows AI algorithms to exchange information efficiently. Talk about secret AI conversations. Imagine being a fly on the wall during an AI language exchange. Fact number 2. AI can dream. Well, sort of. Researchers have developed AI models that can generate dreamlike images based on the data they've learned. These AI dreams often result in surreal and fascinating visuals that challenge our imagination. If AI can dream, I wonder what it dreams about. Electric sheep, perhaps? Fact number 3. AI can create art collaborations. In the world of AI, humans aren't the only artists. AI algorithms can team up with human creators to generate stunning pieces of art. It's like having an AI partner in creativity. Who said AI and humans can't be creative together? The future of art collaboration looks promising. Fact number 4. AI has a green thumb. Yes, you heard it right. AI can assist in gardening and agriculture. It can analyze soil conditions, monitor plant health, and even suggest optimal watering schedules. AI truly knows how to help plants flourish. If you ever need a gardening buddy, AI has got your back. Just don't forget to water your AI-grown tomatoes. And there you have it. Some unknown and fun facts about artificial intelligence. It's incredible how AI continues to surprise us with its abilities. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights in the world of AI. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the unknown.